Hey, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram name tags for your business. I'm going to quickly show you how to use them, how to make them, and how to scan name tags for your business. So keep watching. All right, let's get into it. So why use Instagram name tags for your business? One, it's a great feature for networking offline. Maybe you're at a networking event or you're at your office or your place of business. You can have people follow you without having to search for you on the Instagram app. You just share your name tag directly from the app, or you can even print out something and have it at your office so they can just do a quick scan and instantly follow you. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now the first thing we want to do is open up our Instagram app. You're going to click your icon at the bottom of the screen there. Next, click these three bars. Now you just click name tag. You can easily change the color of your name tag just by tapping the background. So I can tap and scroll through until you find a color that you like. And I think I'm going to go with this one. Now if you want to use an emoji for your background, all you do is tap the color icon here at the top, and this is going to open up the emoji screen. From there, you can choose your emojis by tapping on the background again, and you can scroll through until you find the exact emoji that you would like to use. One of the things I didn't find on here was hearts. So if you have hearts working on your phone, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know if it's just my phone. But that's how you change for emojis. Now say for instance you want to use a selfie, you'll click this emoji icon again. That's going to open up the selfie window. Now immediately, if you haven't done this yet, you're going to have a camera screen and you can click the photo button to take a photo. I'll show you exactly what that screen will look like in a minute. So I'm going to hit retake on mine. And this is what you'll probably see when you first open yours up if you haven't done a photo yet. So I'm going to take a photo. Just click this center button and that takes the photo. You can retake it if you don't like it. And then also to change the overlay, once again, you just tap the background and you can choose a different type of overlay. I think I'm going to go with the hearts. One of the other things you can do, you can hit this share icon and you can easily print this out, save the image, or send it to someone. I love the print feature because that's where the magic comes in for businesses. You can print out this name tag and have your customers or patients just simply scan this while they're at your place of business, and they don't have to spend any time searching for you on Instagram, and they can instantly follow you. Check this out. I'll show you how it works. The camera icon to scan the name tag, scan it, click follow, or you can view the profile. It's as easy as that. Do you have some unique ways that you use the Instagram name tag feature? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using it. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you social media tips for your business. I also want to invite you to grab your free copy of the Instagram hashtag industry guide. If you are serious about growing your Instagram account in 2018, 2019, you want to do it organically, you need followers, likes, and engagement, the best place to start, or one of the best places to start, is with a good Instagram hashtag strategy. Now, I've got almost 50 industries in here, and I've done the hashtag research for you manually. This is great if you're a business owner, if you're a freelancer, if you're an agency. It's great because it has almost 50 different industries and the hashtag research has already been done. Everything's included, or almost everything. You've got auto, healthcare, childcare, dentists, fitness, event planning, med spas, home decor, landscape, business coaches, marketing, realtors, restaurants, wedding planners, and there's a ton more. So get your copy today. I'm going to leave a link in the description below and you can pick up your own copy. Once again, if this video helped you out, please hit this subscribe button below and also like this video. It'll help me keep bringing you videos and helpful tips for social media for your business. Also, don't forget to hit this bell button. That way you'll be notified every time I create a new video. If you have something you're struggling with on Instagram or any other social network, leave me a comment below. I may just do a video about it. Thanks again for watching. I'm your marketing lady, and I'll see you next time.